Welcome, future investors, to our channel. Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the world of stock market investing. Choosing your first stocks can be a daunting task, but fear not. In this video, I will guide you through the process, providing valuable insights and practical tips to help you make informed decisions. So, let's dive right in and discover where to begin on your investing journey. Investing in stocks has the potential to generate wealth and achieve financial goals. However, it's crucial to approach it with a well-thought-out strategy. Today, I will share essential steps to help you choose your first stocks and lay the foundation for a successful investment portfolio. Before diving into the stock selection process, it's vital to define your investment goals. What are you aiming to achieve? Are you looking for long-term growth, income generation, or a combination of both? Understanding your objectives will shape your investment strategy and guide your stock selection process. Consider factors such as your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial situation when setting your investment goals. Having a clear vision of what you want to accomplish will help you align your stock choices with your overall financial objectives. Now that you've set your investment goals, it's time to conduct thorough research. Research is the backbone of successful stock selection. Start by exploring different industries and sectors that interest you. Understand their dynamics, growth potential, and any relevant market trends. Next, delve into individual companies within your chosen sectors. Scrutinize their financial statements, including revenue, earnings, and cash flow. Assess their competitive advantage, market position, and potential for future growth. Look for companies with solid management teams and a track record of delivering value to their shareholders. Fortunately, there are numerous resources available to aid your research process. Financial news outlets, company annual reports, and reputable investment websites can provide valuable information on companies, their financial health, and industry insights. Utilize these resources to gather the necessary knowledge and make informed decisions. Additionally, consider seeking guidance from professional financial advisors or joining investment communities where you can exchange ideas and learn from experienced investors. These resources can offer valuable insights and support your research efforts. Diversification is a fundamental principle of investing. It helps manage risk and provides exposure to different sectors and companies. As a beginner, it's important to build a well-diversified portfolio to mitigate the impact of individual stock volatility. Consider investing in stocks across various industries, sectors, and market caps. This will ensure that your portfolio is not overly concentrated in one area, reducing the potential impact of market fluctuations. Diversification spreads risk and increases the likelihood of capturing upside potential from different sectors of the economy. There are various investment strategies you can adopt when choosing your first stocks. Let's explore a few popular ones. Growth investing focuses on companies that demonstrate high growth potential. These companies may be in emerging industries or possess innovative products or services. Growth investors seek companies with above-average revenue and earnings growth rates, often willing to tolerate higher levels of risk in pursuit of substantial long-term returns. Value investing, on the other hand, involves seeking out undervalued stocks. Value investors look for companies whose stock prices appear to be trading below their intrinsic value. They believe the market has underestimated the company's true worth and anticipate the stock price to eventually rise, offering potential gains. Dividend investing focuses on companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. Dividend investors seek stable, well-established companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. These stocks provide both potential income and the potential for long-term capital appreciation. Patience is a virtue in the world of investing. It's essential to adopt a long-term perspective and avoid succumbing to short-term market fluctuations. Remember, the stock market can be volatile, and prices can fluctuate in the short term. Stay focused on your investment goals and have confidence in your research and decision-making process. To recap, choosing your first stocks requires setting clear investment goals, conducting thorough research, diversifying your portfolio, and aligning your investment strategy with your risk tolerance. Remember to stay patient and maintain a long-term perspective, as investing is a journey that unfolds over time. I hope you found this guide helpful as you embark on your investing journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue learning about investing, personal finance, and wealth building strategies, be sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of educational content to support your financial growth. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, Investing is a lifelong learning process, and every step you take brings you closer to achieving your financial goals. Stay curious, stay informed, and happy investing.